don't bring me your problems. I got plenty of problems.
Right.
If I'm a leader and I'm in an organization, yeah, I'll give you a great example. Good friend of mine, in San Diego runs a company. He's got a company. I don't know, $30 million company. It's, a lot of venture capital. And he's like, it's hard. I'm the CEO of this company. I've got OEM relationships. I've got COVID I'm dealing with. I've got supplier relationships. I've got investors in my company. I've got, 100 people I'm trying to take care of. And I'm trying to focus on my business. And then, you think about people in the company, and then he got a little frustrated. He goes, then I got people like, well, what about me? What's the company doing for me?
Right.
I'm like, and he's like, it's so many people tugging at your pant leg. It gets very overwhelming.
Mm-hmm.
And it's very easy to see where, we're sitting at dinner, we're talking, and he's right. And you think about now, if I'm a CEO of a company, and it's, once again, any company, in aerospace, all these people are tugging on my pant leg. It's very easy to get overwhelmed. So I think the answer is, don't bring me your problems. Yeah, I know we got supply chain problems. Bring me 3 solutions. It's just like, here's the problem. Here's 3 avenues we can go down. We can go down A. If we go down A, this is the result that I think we'll achieve. This may be the stumbling block. This is how long it's going to take. We go down Avenue B. This is what it's going to do. Mm-hmm. Avenue C, whatever. It's much easier to go to somebody and say, we've got the problems, or we're going to have a problem. I've got 3 solutions. I'm giving you the solutions. Here's what I think is the best one. Here's what I'm going down, unless you say something different. Mm-hmm. Wow. You just gave somebody some confidence that you actually know what the hell you're doing, mm-hmm. versus going, gee, boss, things are all screwed up. What do you want me to do?